Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking your Android version and the phone maker because steps differ slightly. This matters for locating search settings. Once done, open Settings, tap Apps, then Default Apps or App Info depending on your build. Make sure to scroll to the app list so you can access the search provider or launcher entry quickly. If prompted to update Google or system apps, postpone until after you stop search to avoid automatic reinstalls. Now move directly to the app controls we need. You now pick the search app or device launcher from that list and tap it. First, force stop to halt active processes. This prevents immediate reindexing. Next, choose Disable if available or uninstall updates to revert it to a factory version that can be disabled. This avoids automatic restart. Also tap Permissions and revoke microphone, contacts, and location to limit background data collection. Make sure to also clear cache and storage, so old indexed results You finish by assigning an alternative default launcher or search app under default apps so the system stops invoking the disabled one. This prevents fallback. Then reboot the device to ensure all changes take effect and background services restart cleanly. If search still shows up, go back and clear system cache or use Reset App Preferences to remove stubborn bindings. If that fails, uninstall recent app updates or temporarily remove the app account. As a last resort, back up and perform a factory reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.